ladies and jellyfish. This is Mr. Panic. Oh my goodness, it's all people. Dash and Thomas from Elevators of 14S coming to you from Sector 47A. These things are insanely busy for some random reason. I'm not sure if that's a luck or not, because rumor has it these things have been key-carded. From a sign in here saying that they're key-carded between 9 p.m. and 6 a.m.
2,000 years later.
Coming over here, so let's see. Moment of truth. They locked them off. I am so triggered right now. Going up? Yes. Which one you going to? 5. Okay. I think you might need the key card. I don't know where mine is. Okay, here we go.
Or you get down, like you.
Use the Schwartz. We're at 5. Have a good one, ma'am. I just scored great luck. Well, I don't know if that's luck or not. Stopping at 6. Y'all going up?
Yes.
Which one you going to? Yep, I'm gonna get the key card. Excuse me. For 15?
Oh, yeah.
ABC comes over there. Lower level 3. Yeah, I won't be able to get as good of a take as I wanted on these things. Oh, look, we're faster than elevator number 2. Oh, it's stopping, that's why. For L3. Oh, going up?
Yeah.
Which one you going to?
Lobby, please.
Same for me. I'm just an elevator enthusiast, don't mind me. Oh, this is the lobby. Where, sir?
Okay.
I just scored great luck on that. I don't know how I did that. It's now time to rant about the fact that they key carded off the elevators here.
I don't care.